Hello students, welcome back. My name is Himanshu, and in this video I'm going to teach you that how you can take care of sheets. Till now we have only take care of cell or range, and increasing the level, now we need to take care of the sheets or worksheets, we can say. In order to make things easy and in order to make you understand what I'm going to do, here I have got plenty of sheets in this particular workbook. So I'm going to add few new sheets as well, but that's not going to be a normal worksheet or a spreadsheet. That will be a chart sheet. Okay, so I'm just clicking over here, insert, and click on chart sheet. So one chart sheet has been created. Again I'm going to click here, insert, and chart sheet. Okay, so two chart sheet has been created. I am going to give this a name. I'm going to give this name, first of all, let's say trial, and here I'm going to give it RAM. Okay, so one of the chart sheet name is trial and another chart sheet name is RAM. So these are two different chart sheets. Okay, now how to refer to one particular sheet? So there are various methods for this, and first I'm going to make you understand about the worksheet method. So again you need to start with the session, that is control and spacebar. Suggestions are coming. I am start typing worksheets. So here it's worksheets and then bracket start, and the first method is you can type the sheet name. Now remember, there are two sheet name. First one is a sheet 1, you can see here, and another one is in the bracket, which is if function. So you need to give you need to make use of the name which is in bracket, actually, which has been given by the user. So here let's say I want to refer to this particular sheet, which is advanced if. So similarly I will type ADV and IF bracket close dot activate. Now second method is seems to be a similar, but there is a difference. And what is the difference? In this very video we will be able to know that. So I'm typing sheets and I want to refer to, let's say, autofill this particular sheet. So in bracket I'm typing autofill dot activate. Okay, the next method is the direct method. As I've told you, there are two names. First one is this sheet 1, second one is in the bracket. So now I'm going to make use of the first name, and this is known as a direct method. I want to refer to this text example, which is actually a sheet 2. So I can simply type sheet 2 dot activate. Whenever you are typing any sheet name, it will be displayed in the suggestion box also. Now these are the three different methods. I'm going to minimize this and have a look at the bottom part, that which sheet is going to be selected. Right now it's a chart sheet which is RAM selected, and I'm going to run this program with the help of F8 key so that you can understand which line is doing which particular task. So F8, first of all you can see the advanced if has been selected. Now the second line I'm going to execute, which is autofill. So autofill sheet has been selected, and then sheet 2, which was text example, if you can remember, this one you can see. So again text example sheet has been selected. So these are three different methods. Now coming to the point of what is the difference between worksheets and sheets method. It seems very much similar, but there is a difference when you are going to make use of an index number. How index number works? Index number works according to the sequence in the actual workbook. Let's say here if function is in the first place, so it will be referred with the index number 1. then trial, which is a chart sheet. This is 2, this is 3, this is 4. But the thing is, here there is one method which is worksheet. Now worksheet refers to only spreadsheet, no other kind of sheets. Means chart sheet will not be considered into this, and sheets refer to any kind of sheet. So in order to demonstrate the difference, I am going to type worksheets, then as an index number I have given 2 dot activate, and here I am going to type sheets 2 dot activate. Okay, so I'm going to start with F8. I'm going to drag this line to here because I don't want to run all these three. You can do that in order to check. Okay, now I'm going to press once again F8. So you can see the worksheet refers to only spreadsheet, so this is 1. It will skip this 2, trial and RAM, because those are chart sheet, and it will do the selection of text example like this. But sheet refer to any kind of sheet, so it will, this is 1 and this is 2 for it, and you can see that it has done the selection. So when you are going to make use of an index number in a method, then you can see the difference. Another thing is, I have mentioned a chart. Here you can see RAM is actually chart 12, chart 13 is trial. So there are methods to refer to charts also. You can refer to charts with the help of sheet method. Here in place of 2, you can type the chart name like RAM or trial, or else you can make use of chart method as well, like this. So I'm going to type charts, and I want to refer to this trial. So in bracket I've mentioned trial dot activate. Okay, so this is one method. Another method is a index number, and for index number method, again the sequence will be followed. So trial, I have made a selection which is in sequence first, RAM is in sequence 2. So I want to do the selection of RAM, so I'm going to do charts, and index number I have given 2 dot activate. Now I want to refer to trial once again, this one, and I can make use of direct method as well, which is chart 13. I can refer it with the help of chart 13. So here I'm going to mention chart 13 dot activate. Again I'm going to minimize this, and we'll run this with the help of F8 key. Going to set my cursor over here. Okay, now F8, you can see trial which was selected, it is selected already. Chart 2, it will be selected, and chart 13, again trial will be selected. So these are various methods to refer to a sheet or worksheet or chart sheet, you can say. Next we are going to understand the sheet properties into this, which is very important. So first of all, do the practice of it, and after that look at the next video. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.